Hello, there's Michael Feeley here, esoteric author in the UK. I do lots of talks around the UK, but I'm now starting to venture out beyond that, and I have quite a big talk in San Francisco in the USA in February, so please look out for that. Today, in North America, I'm going to talk about Roswell and how it was a real event. Now, I don't know what landed or crashed there. Only those who were present do. But what I can say is something did happen, and it was a deliberate location for that happening. Now, it deals largely with the number 33. Now, the number 33 is quite in secret societies, in the Bible, in many things all over the world, Freemasonry, the likes. It even takes us to the real location or the real meaning of the lost city of Atlantis. It takes us to Jesus dying age 33 on the cross. It takes us to Jacob's ladder, which is really the human spine, which has 33 vertebrae. Now, at the top of the 33rd vertebrae is, of course, the mind. And the mind is the temple. So the 33 vertebrae of the spine is the location upon which the temple was built. Now, the skull has 22 bones, and that really is the place where we get the lights to become enlightened. So that really is the skull and crossbones of the secret society, as well as Golgotha, as well as Christ. It's all to do with 33, 22, etc. Now, the number 33 is the master number. It's all to do with the highest human consciousness. And if we look on a map, on a world grid, and we sort of mark 33 degrees longitude and 33 degrees latitude, we come to Mount Hermon, which is basically the location of the so-called transfiguration of Christ, where he was filled with the light of God. So again, if you look at, if you fit into 22 stars, some people tell you the 22 fallen gods, but again, number 22 is all to do with the enlightenment of the mind of Golgotha. All of these locations are on what is known as the 33rd parallel. It's this line that runs all the way through Earth. Now, all the major financial banking systems are on the 33rd parallel. Many famous assassinations have occurred on the 33rd parallel, such as John F. Kennedy. You have the Bermuda Triangle, which is on the 33rd parallel. But again, it's that number 33, that master number, that significant number 33. So moving on to Roswell. As I say, I can't say what landed there or what happened there or what crashed there, but what I can say, through this system, whoever put it there, whoever landed, whoever crashed it there, knew about this 33rd parallel because it's significant in the site location of Roswell in New Mexico. And how is that? Well, the impact site was 33 degrees north latitude at a distance of 2,012 miles of the equator. Now, 2012, of course, is famous for the Mayan prophecy. Now, when we look at the date, the 21st of December, 21 plus 12 equals 33. So again, even the Mayans were telling us about human consciousness, and the year 2012 is really the miles from the equator, all to do with the 33rd parallel, which is all to do with consciousness, Mount Hermon, etc. Now, the latitude impact, 33 degrees north, if we times that by the mathematical constant of the universe, so again, it's all along the 33rd parallel, it's all to do with a deliberate location. Now, going even deeper, when you look at the word New Mexico, which is, of course, where the Roswell incident happened, in English gematria, the numerical value of letters and words, the place New Mexico, it's 111 times 3. 111 times 3 is 333. So all of this is, of course, is happening on the 33rd parallel. The number 33 is significant all across the ancient world, all across the secret societies, and it even pins us down to a deliberate location for this most famous of UFO landings or crash. Something happened that day. Metal was discovered, metal that always returned to its original form, original state. And the simple answer to that is because it was molecularly programmed, and it would always return to its state unless it was deprogrammed and reprogrammed. So again, why not follow my channel? There will be lots and lots of videos such as this. Why not catch one of my talks around the world in 2020? And why not subscribe to my newsletters, which is all on my website, www.michael-feeley.com. Thank you for your time, and I'll speak again very, very soon.